Culture methods. Culture method is nothing but growing the bacteria in a artificial medium by providing a essential nutrients to it. Culture method are done to isolated bacteria in a pure culture for the clinical specimens and their identification by various methods. Determination of antibiotic sensitivity. Prepare antigen for serodiagnosis of infective diseases. Maintain stock cultures. Methods to isolate the bacteria: stick culture, lawn culture, stalk culture, stab culture, pore plate culture, liquid culture, and special methods for anaerobic cultures. Stick culture. It is the routinely method employed for the bacterial isolation in pure culture. A platinum or nichrome wire loop full of 2 to 4 mm internal diameter is used. Due to the high cost of platinum, routinely lab use nichrome wire. Loop full of specimen is peered onto the surface of the dried plate near the peripheral area. So this is named as primary inoculum. This sticked plate are incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for overnight incubation. Then lawn culture. This type of culture method is employed in the antibiotic sensitivity and in bacteriophage typing. Lawn culture are obtained by flooding the surface of the plate with a liquid culture or suspension of bacterium. Culture plate is kept for a minute and then the excess material is poured off. Alternatively, the culture plate may be inoculated by a sterile swab soaked in a liquid. Bacterial culture of specimen. Plate is then incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for overnight to obtain the bacterial colonies. Stroke culture. Stroke culture is done in a tube containing agar slope. It is employed for providing a pure growth of the bacterium for slide agglutination and other tests. Commonly used agar slope in a nutrient agar slope. Stab culture. Stab culture is performed by a straight wire charged with a culture medium by puncturing deep inside the agar. This technique is employed to demonstrate to maintain the stock culture for the preservation of bacteria. Pore plate technique. Tube containing 50 ml of agar medium in each are melted and kept to cool in a water bath at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. The inoculum to be tested is diluted in serial dilution. 1 ml of each diluted inoculum is added to each tube of the molten agar, mixed well, and then the content of the tube poured into the sterile petri dish to allow solidify. These plates are incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for overnight. This culture method is used to estimate viable bacterial count in a suspension or the quantitate bacteria in a urine culture. Liquid culture. Liquid culture are done in test tubes, screwed, capped bottles or flask. May be inoculated by touching with a charged loop or by adding the inoculum with pipette or syringes. This type of culture method is adopted for blood cultures and for the sensitivity test, where the number of bacteria in the inocula are expected to be small. Anaerobic culture method. Anaerobic culture method grows only in the absence of oxygen. This anaerobic condition or anaerobiasis can be established by various methods such as desiccators. In desiccators, some oxygen is to be left, not suitable for fluid culture. Displacement of oxygen is done with hydrogen, nitrogen, and helium and carbon dioxide. Candle jar. Inoculated plates are kept. Burning candle use up all oxygen, but a little oxygen is left. But presence of carbon dioxide stimulates the most bacterium. Macintosh jar. Macintosh and Flitz anaerobic jar consist of a stout glass or metal jar with a metal lid which can be clamped airtight with a screw. This lid is fitted with two tubes with taps, one acting as inlet of introducing the gas and other is outlet. The lid also consists of two terminals which can be connected to the electrical supply. Catalyst. In this catalyst are used aluminum pellets coated with palladium. Culture plate inoculated with specimen or placed inside the anaerobic jar with an indicator. The lid is clamped tightly. The catalyst helps to combine oxygen and the residual oxygen to form water. Reduced methylene blue is generally used as the indicator for anaerobiosis. It remains colorless in anaerobic conditions but turns blue on the exposure to oxygen. Gas pack. Gas pack is come under the method of chemical or biological absorption of oxygen method. There are different types of chemical methods. Chromium and sulfuric acid. A mixture of chromium and the sulfur acid is used for the production of anaerobiosis. These two chemicals react in the presence of oxygen and produces chromous sulfate. And another method is gas pack. It is available commercially as the disposable packet containing pellets of sodium borohydrate, cobalt chloride, citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. It is now widely used for the preparation of anaerobic jars. This chemical generates hydrogen and carbon dioxide when water is added. Hydrogen combined with oxygen in the presence of catalyst. After the inoculated plates are kept inside the airtight jar, the pack of gas pack with water is added and kept inside the lid and tied closely. This gas pack technique is simple compared to filling of gas by the cylinders. Biological methods. This has been attempted by incubating anaerobic organism along with anaerobic bacteria. 2 blood agar plates are taken. One is incubated with sodium. 2 blood agar plates are taken. One is incubated with Pseudomonas aeruginosa, aerobic bacteria, and the other with specimen of anaerobic bacteria. 2 plates are placed one over the other and sealed along with the rims and are incubated. Reducing agent. Oxygen in culture media can be reduced by various agents such as glucose, thioglycolate, cooked meat media pieces, cysteine and ascorbic acid. Based on the above principle, the most of the widely employed anaerobic liquid culture media are thioglycolate broth, cooked meat medium, which is also known as Robertson cooked meat broth. Anaerobic chamber. Anaerobic chamber, it is an anaerobic inoculated system. It provides oxygen free environment for the inoculating culture media and for the incubation. It is fitted with airtight rubber gloves to inside hand for working with specimens. This anaerobic chamber contains a catalyst, desiccants, hydrogen oxide, hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas, nitrogen gas and an indicator. Thank you.